Are you looking for the best leaf vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best leaf vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Craftsman 260 mph corded electric backpack leaf blower vac mulcher. The impressive Craftsman corded electric backpack exceeded our team's expectations, claiming the spot as the overall best leaf vacuum. Not only did this machine vacuum everything in sight, and in record time, we might add, but this 3-in-1 machine also features a powerful blower and highly effective mulcher. Luckily, alternating between the three is a breeze. Power and performance aside, the Craftsman is also ergonomically friendly. It features a true backpack-style design with 2 straps rather than a cumbersome sling bag. This notable characteristic earned high marks with our product testing team. The 2-strapped backpack-style bag works amazingly well and should be the standard for all these handheld vacuums, said tester Dylan Fisher. It's a great way to distribute weight equally and goes a long way to mitigate fatigue. Type, backpack, power, corded, capabilities, vac blow mulch, speed, 450 CFM, 260 mph. Number 2. Sun Joe 250 mph 3-in-1 electric vacuum mulcher blower. It's refreshing and very obvious that Sun Joe designed this 3-in-1 machine with the user experience in mind, says product tester Sherry Cass. As an older woman, I can vouch that this leaf vacuum felt user-friendly right out of the box. The front wheels make it easier to push and keep stable, while the telescopic tube adjusts for height and storage, Cass adds. There are no extraneous pieces and parts to keep track of because everything is attached to the machine, and it's simple to go from blower to vacuum with the flip of a switch. The testing team was impressed with both the power and quietness of this machine while testing the blower feature, noting that the Sun Joe provided the most controlled performance, directing the leaves exactly where they wanted them to go. The vacuum was extremely quick to suck up wet leaves, and the manual actually recommends dampening dry leaves prior to use to prevent dust. Type, backpack, power, corded, capabilities, vac blow mulch, speed, 530 CFM, 250 mph. Number 3. Worx Trivac 3-in-1 electric leaf blower vacuum mulcher. This 3-in-1 tool from Worx is a versatile gadget that effortlessly switches from a leaf blower to a vacuum or mulcher at the turn of a knob, no attachments needed to change settings. The Worx Trivac includes 2-speed operation, a wide-mouth tube, which aided in effectively vacuuming everything up, and a convenient shoulder strap so you can say goodbye to dragging around a bag full of leaves. This is a solid choice if you've only got room in your garage for one leaf cleaning tool. Featuring a powerful metal impeller, the Worx Trivac boasts a mulching ratio of 18:1, meaning it turns 18 bags of leaves into just one. The testing team notes that the Trivac offers 2 options for leaf collection: use the bag that slings over your shoulder, or use the included attachment and net to suck leaves directly into a trash bin, an option that no other models offered, we might add. As a gardener who likes to compost, the option to collect leaves directly into a garbage can is a nice feature, and the machine is very intuitive to use, says Cass. Type, backpack, power, corded, capabilities, vac blow mulch, speed, 620 CFM, 70 mph. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER leaf blower, vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER BV6000 is a versatile and powerful 3-in-1 tool that functions as a leaf blower, vacuum, and mulcher, perfect for keeping your yard clean with minimal effort. With a 12-amp motor, it delivers up to 250 mph of airspeed and 400 CFM of airflow, making it one of the most capable electric leaf blowers on the market. Key features: white heavy checkmark 3-in-1 functionality, easily switch between blower, vacuum, and mulcher modes. White heavy checkmark powerful 12-amp motor, provides strong and consistent performance for heavy-duty yard work. White heavy checkmark 250 mph airspeed and 400 CFM airflow, quickly clears leaves, debris, and small twigs. White heavy checkmark mulching ratio of 16:1, reduces 16 bags of leaves into one, saving space and effort. White Heavy Checkmark 2 speed settings, allows for precision control when working on delicate areas. White Heavy Checkmark Corded Electric, no batteries or fuel needed, provides unlimited runtime. White Heavy Checkmark Reusable Collection Bags, eco-friendly and easy to empty. Performance and efficiency. Blower mode, strong enough to clear wet or dry leaves with ease. Vacuum mode, quickly sucks up leaves, grass clippings, and debris for a cleaner yard. Mulching mode, cuts down on waste by shredding leaves into fine mulch, making disposal easier. Number 5. Husqvarna 350 IB40V LeafBlaster Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. The Husqvarna 350 IB40V LeafBlaster is a high-performance cordless leaf blower designed for homeowners who want powerful, emission-free operation without the hassle of gas. Equipped with a brushless motor and 40V lithium-ion battery, this leaf blower delivers efficient performance while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Key features. White Heavy Checkmark 40V lithium-ion battery, delivers consistent power with no gas, fumes, or maintenance. White Heavy Checkmark brushless motor, provides longer runtime, more efficiency, and less noise. White Heavy Checkmark 200 miles per hour airspeed and 800 CFM airflow, moves heavy, wet leaves and debris with ease. White Heavy Checkmark cruise control and variable speed, adjust power to match your task and save battery life. White Heavy Checkmark lightweight design, under 10 pounds, easy to maneuver for extended use. White Heavy Checkmark quiet operation, much quieter than gas-powered models, great for neighborhoods. Performance and usability. Battery life, offers up to 30 to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, varies by power level. Power, 800 CFM makes it one of the most powerful battery-powered blowers in its class. Ergonomic design, comfortable rubberized grip and well-balanced weight distribution,